Hello folks, this is a very quick and rough video just to show that 1.5 system update has landed in Australia, East Coast Australia anyway, and just to show you what the process is and also to see if there's anything weird at the end. So Monica on our Facebook page, New South Wales owners, said that she's getting downloading of 1.5. So let's see. Okie dokie. Hello. Yeah, it doesn't look like I am. Oh, hang on, there's something up here. Oh, it is too. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so it's downloading 1.5 now. I received an email today to say that 1.5 was being downloadable. I went and checked on my car and there was nothing there. But it's actually happening now. The Chinese servers are working overtime. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so this is, after I downloaded it, this is what I saw. So I'm going to leave it on. So let's see what it says here. Well, I was hoping it was going to have some better functionality of the cruise control or improved areas there, but it doesn't say that that's what it's doing. It's a shame. Okay. Now, a bit nervous about this. But anyway, here goes nothing. Oh, well, I can't wait. Oh, everything's all turned off. Okay. So I'm going to sit in here with all my mates. Wait a minute, something's happening. Okay, well, this looks like we're going to sit here. So I won't bore you with that, I'll turn it off. Okay, okay, all the applications are there. Fantastic. Oh, I've got a new one. Smart charging. Smart charging. Okay. Well, I don't have an Android phone. Unfortunately, I don't have an Android phone. Let's see what else is done. Nothing weird there. Okie doke. Okay, have they changed the password? Alright, let's see. Yes, they've changed the password. So I hope that you have loaded Gbox. If you haven't loaded Gbox, don't upgrade, and you want other apps, don't update yet. Go to my video on the password change, and it will tell you how to load Gbox, which will allow you to load all sorts of software, including all of this. Well, this is interesting. ISA, which is Intelligent Speed Adaptation, status is good. So I hope that means that the cruise control connected to the speed limit setting is now working. In other words, if the speed limit changes, the cruise control will change as well. That doesn't work at the moment. It looks like it might now, so I'm going to try that tomorrow, and the next day or so I'll post a video to show that working. Hope